1895, in Davenport, Iowa, Daniel David Palmer performed the first chiropractic adjustment. He adjusted the spine of Harvey Lillard, a janitor who had been nearly deaf for 17 years after a back injury. Lillard's hearing was largely restored. Palmer believed he'd unlocked the body's innate healing power by correcting vertebral subluxations. Today, chiropractic care is a multi-billion-dollar industry. What if Lillard never walked into Palmer's office? Palmer believed that 95% of all diseases were caused by displaced vertebrae. He even claimed chiropractic could cure everything from heart disease to diabetes. Would you trust a spinal adjustment to restore your hearing?